Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Kia Forte headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a new headlight bulb, and possibly a wrench. Safety is key, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Locate the headlight assembly. It's usually secured by a few bolts or clips visible from the engine bay. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get that old headlight out. You'll typically find 2 or 3 retaining bolts or clips holding the assembly in place. Unscrew or release these. Once loose, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling. With the fasteners and connector free, gently pull the entire headlight unit straight forward to remove it from the vehicle. With the headlight assembly removed, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock and remove it. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its base. Avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, then twist it clockwise until it clicks securely into place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position and secure it with all the retaining bolts or clips. Don't forget to firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the bulb housing. Before you finish, check out the description for a link to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, plus other great deals. Turn on your vehicle and test both the high and low beams to ensure your new headlight is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.